Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for content creation. First is identify the topic. Start by identifying the topic you want to write about. This could be a broad topic or specific questions that you want to answer. Enter the topic or questions into ChatGPT. Once you have identified the topic, enter it into ChatGPT's interface as a prompt. The AI model will generate a response based on the information it has been trained on. So let's put the topic. Review the response. Once ChatGPT generates a response, review it and determine whether it provides a helpful starting point for your content. You may need to modify the response or ask a follow-up questions to get information you need. Use the response as a starting point. Use the response generated by ChatGPT as a starting point for your content. You could use it as an introduction or a subheading or expand the information provided in the response. Edit and customize the content. After using ChatGPT to generate content, edit and customize it to fit your specific needs and style. Add your own insights, examples, or research to make the content unique and valuable to your audience. Use ChatGPT for inspiration. If you're struggling to come up with ideas for content, use ChatGPT as a source of inspiration. Enter a broad topic and see what responses are generated. You may come up with a few angles or ideas that you hadn't considered before. Remember that ChatGPT is a tool to help you generate content, but it's not a substitute for your own expertise and insight. Use it as a starting point, but always strive to add value and make the content of your own. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!